Shannon here from GearHaul. I just wanted to take a quick second and let you guys know Mother's Day is coming up, and I got this bad boy just a few years ago for Mother's Day, and I absolutely love it. My whole family knows that this is my me time. I hop on the mower, put in my ear pods, listen to my favorite podcast, and just go. I don't have interruptions. It's the best alone time I can get. But for years, I was putting my phone just in the cup holders, and I was always afraid it'd pop out, and it has, and almost ran over it. So luckily here at GearHaul, we came up with this awesome call haul. You just pop your phone into it, and it's easy as that. It's got this awesome magnet that it applies to any kind of outdoor outdoor power equipment, so it's perfect for my mower because it doesn't come off. And then, I don't know about you ladies, but I hate stopping and pausing and unbuckling when I'm mowing, so we also have the bucket haul. So I keep my handy dandy little claw catcher here, and I just pull it out of my bucket. That way I don't have to get out of the mower, and I can pick up the trash just like this and throw it in my bucket haul. That way I don't have to get on and off, and it saves me some time too. So it's really nice to have that. So fellas, if you're out there, get your ladies a call haul and a bucket haul to make their mowing a little bit more efficient. Bye.